Good day, YouTube. Meandering Newfoundlander here again. I'm on my bike. Yes, it's October 30th and I'm still out riding. My temperature's showing 11 degrees, so it's still double digits, which is good. Plus I'm dressed for it. Anyway, today is not going to be a long ride. I'm only going to go through Pouch Cove, which is what you're seeing right now. I figured I just wanted to get out of the house and get a little break. It's about a half hour from my home, plus it's a nice scenery out this way. So I figure, why not? And yes, I have my drone, so stick around. You will see some drone clips of the area. Pouch Cove is always one of my favorite places to come to for a little scoot, a little visit. Love the scenery out here. Oh, this is new. Sunrise view. Now, where shall I go? Might as well go over and turn around and come back before I stop anywhere. Last year I was here and I went in that little area right there and boiled up a coffee. It's one thing I haven't done the whole summer. I never had a coffee yet. Well, I had lots of coffees, but I never did a motorcycle coffee ride, which is what I was totally hooked on a couple years ago. I think I went 60 days straight without missing a single day, a single ride. I would just go and find these random destinations and boil up a coffee and enjoy the scenery, listen to the waves, because it's usually in some cove or on a wharf even that I would do those things. I don't think there's much else over this way to see, except for the garbage truck. Yeah, I'll just go over here and turn around. I was debating on going out to Cape St. Francis, which is way out that way, but the roads are pretty rough, and I've been pushing my luck a little too much on my Goldwing with some of the places I ride it. So I'm not going to take a chance this time. I'm more cautious this summer, or this year. Good enough spot here. Oh, that's the East Coast Trail. This path here will actually take you right out to Cape St. Francis if you're ever interested. Alright, I won't make you watch the ride back across. Well, I made it to Pouch Cove safely, as you can see. Beautiful spot. Just love watching the waves. No entry beyond this point. Yeah, I've seen that sign before. I promise I'll be careful. Over here is where they launch their boats to get the slipway there. It goes up to the top. A couple years ago, somebody went down there in a car. No big waves. Well, maybe there's one coming. Maybe, maybe not. The ocean isn't so exciting today. Now it's time to throw the drone up. Let you see this area from the sky. It's beautiful from the sky. It's beautiful from any angle. Doesn't matter what angle. Anyway, here's the drone clips. Well, I hope you enjoyed those drone clips. I enjoyed flying my drone, so it's a win-win if you enjoy it. It's a win for me anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna get ready and start heading back, I think. There's not much else to do here. I didn't bring my coffee kit. Now I'm kind of wishing I did. I could have boiled up a coffee just to kill some time. But either way, it was nice to get out. All right, here we go. Now, I got no stop sign. Does that mean I have the right of way here? Either way, there was no traffic, so I'm good. Yeah, there's definitely something that's very calming and relaxing when you're standing and sitting near the ocean. It just totally, it's mesmerizing, and it just takes your mind off things. You kind of feel a connection with it, and it's all good stuff. Yeah, I'd like to live out in Pouch Cove. Nice area. Not a big fan of the city at all. That's it. It's all temporary. Hopefully another 3 or 4 years I'll be moving around the bay somewhere. We'll see. Well, anyway, I'm going to let you go because there's not much else to show you now, unless you want me to go around and look at Halloween decorations. Maybe some night I'll do that. Ah, buddy, get on your side of the road. So anyway, thanks for tagging along with me. I hope you enjoyed the scenery and the ride. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Not that I'm hooked on subscribers or anything, but it's still nice to share this scenery with as many people as possible. That's what I'm doing it for, right? I mean, I got people that live out west that comment on my videos, and they appreciate seeing their home province while living away. So that's one of the main reasons I do this stuff. Anyway, I'm blabbing again. So anyway, again, thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves and enjoy the rest of your week.